Hey friends, now that Windows 10 is reaching its end of support stage, a lot of people are asking, is Windows 11 free? So let us ask this question to Bing. Actually, it is free, but still. Okay. So the answer is yes, it is free. But the problem is that while the upgrade itself is free of cost, you will have to make sure that the system requirements are met. And those minimum hardware requirements are the problem here. Okay, so all you need to do to upgrade to Windows 11 is right click on the start button, select settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. But does your computer support it? Because the reason most people did not upgrade to Windows 11 is that they would have to dump their old computers. And has anything changed since then? I doubt that. So the main problem is that you may have to buy a new computer. Otherwise, Windows 11 itself is free of cost, and there are significantly higher requirements for Windows 11, like a 64 GB storage space. Okay, and the RAM should be 8 GB. Although it says 4 GB, but to run it smoothly, you need at least 8 GB of RAM. So these are the differences. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.